Moving on to the next question. In this series of GATE 2024 EC solutions from subject networks. Question number 60 in the official master question paper of GATE 2024 EC from subject networks. 2 marks, again numerical answer by any type. Fill in the blanks. From 2 port networks. Question number 60 is as follows. 2 marks, numerical answer. Again. It is given the question for the 2-port network shown below. The value of the y21 parameter. Y21 parameter. Of course, in Siemens. Is nothing the blanks with the right value. Circuit 2-port network. Some given us. This is 2 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor. Dependent voltage source there. 8V1. This is I2 basically. This is V2. Standard convention, following the standard convention of 2-port networks. Current entering. This is V1. Okay. Let's solve. Very basic definition of. Let's move on to solution. Definition. Very basic definition of Y parameters. Definition equation basically. I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. And I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. We have the defining definition equations of Y parameters. Now we will apply circuit analysis to this to the given 2-port network. Okay. Applying circuit analysis here. 2 and I1 is flowing this 2 ohms resistor. I2 is flowing here. So 4 ohm resistor, current flowing will be what? Basically I1 plus I2. Okay. Let's apply KVL in this left loop. KVL. Left loop. This is V1. Rise. Drop is -2 I1. -4 I1 plus I2. And here is what? Plus 8 V1 because this is an increase. Rise, right? Okay. Right. One thing you can write is this. Another way is representing this voltage is same as this voltage, so we can write this voltage here. So again, what we can write V1 minus 2 I1, replacing this with V2. So minus V2. So from here we get what? I1 2 I1 equal to V1 minus V2. V1 minus V2. 2 I1 taken from that side. So from here we get what? I1 equal to V1 by 2 minus V2 by 2. right? Okay. Now, what you can write it? You can have a Kevin right loop. Kevin right loop is what? V2 equal to 4 into I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 will be rise, so minus 0. Because we have taken the drop as positive on the edges, so rise will be minus, so minus 8 will be. Okay. Now what we can do, substitute this equation, let's say this is equation 1 here, in this equation. So what we, if we substitute equation 1, we will get V2 equal to 4 times I1 will get us V1 by 2 minus V2 by 2, and 4I1 plus 4I2, so we are getting 4I2 separately. Okay. And minus 8 V1 as it is. Okay. Let's simplify it further. V2 equal to is 4 into V1 by 2 minus 2 V2 by 2, that is 2 into V1 minus 2 into V2 plus 4I2 minus 8 V1. Now collecting all the terms of V1 and V2 on one side and I2 on the other side, what do we get? 2V1 minus 8V1, so this will be minus 6V1. Minus 6V1 taken to that side, so it will be 6V1. Let's keep 4I2 here. So 4I2 equal to 6V1 taken to that side, 6V1, and here what will be? V2 plus 2V2, 3V2, that's it. Right? 4I2 equal to 8V1 minus 2V1, that is 6V1, and plus 2V2 plus V2, that is 3V2. So 4I2 equal to 6V1 plus 3V2. Okay. So I2 will be what? Dividing both sides by 4, so it will be 3 by 2 V1 plus 3 by 4 V2. Equation 2. Now we can compare directly these equations 1 and 2 with standard y parameter equations. Okay. As they are in the form I1 equal to V1 something V1 plus something V2, like that. So comparing the parameter, the both equations, the standard equations of y parameters, we get what? State it. Y11 will be what? Coefficient of V1 in the equation I1, which is what? Half or 0.5 seconds. Similarly, Y12, coefficient of V2 in the equation of I1, which is minus half, it is minus 0.5 seconds. Similarly, Y21, the coefficient of V1 in the equation of I2, which is 3 by 2 or 1.5, and Y22, the coefficient of V2 in the equation of I2, which is 3 by 4 or 0.73. So y parameters you have obtained is 0.5, minus 0.5, 1.5 and 0.75. But question में बस एक ही पूछा है, question में only y21 parameter is asked, and we have obtained it easily as 1.5 seconds. Y21 as asked. बहुत ही आसानी से हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लिए हैं. इसका आंसर मिल गया हम लोग को 1.5. I've shown the detailed steps. First applying basic circuit analysis, KVL in left loop to obtain I1 in terms of V1 minus 2I1 minus V2 equal to 0, so I1 in terms of V1 and V2. Next writing KVL in the right loop. Okay, this. So V2 we obtain a relation between V2, I1 and I2 and V1 also. Now substituting I1 in terms of V1 and V2 from equation 1, we get I2 in terms of V1 and V2. And comparing, because लास्ट में कंपेयर करते हैं दोनों इक्वेशन को I1 I2 का जो मिला है in terms of V1 and V2, स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशंस, उससे हम लोग को मिल जाता है all the y पैरामीटर्स y11 y12 y21 y22 बस y21 पूछा क्वेश्चन में जो कि यहाँ पे वैल्यू मिल गया है 1.5 सीरीज. So I have shown all the detailed steps and explained it step by step also for clarification. If you still have doubts or queries for this simple solution, please feel free to ask in the comments. I will be glad to answer. And that's all the solution to this question from Question Networks that came in day 2024 EC.